Want to use your Assurance wireless phone on another network? Here's what you need to know about eligibility. First, you must have had an active Assurance wireless account for at least 12 consecutive months. This means consistent usage without any lapses in service. Secondly, your phone must be fully paid off. While most Assurance wireless phones are free, any installment plans need to be completed. Finally, your account should have no outstanding balances, unpaid bills, or any history of fraud or policy violations. Accounts with excessive data usage or other violations may be ineligible. To start, verify your eligibility by checking your account status online or via the Assurance Wireless app. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, it's time to request your unlock code. Assurance Wireless doesn't offer self-service online unlocks, so you'll need to contact customer service at 1-888-898-4888 or via email support. Make sure to have your phone's IMEI ready. Dial 6 on your phone to find it. Provide the IMEI, your account number, and proof of eligibility. After verification, Assurance Wireless will provide you with a unique unlock code tied to your phone's IMEI. Power off your phone, insert a SIM card from the network you want to switch to, and power it back on. When prompted, enter the unlock code. If you encounter any issues, contact your new carrier for assistance with APN settings. Remember, only use official channels and never unofficial channels to avoid malware.